Hi, my name is Rebecca Thompson Hitt, and I'm the founder and executive director of the Consciously Parenting Project. And I want to share with you a little bit about the upcoming workshop that I have so that you can hear and decide for yourself if it feels like the right fit for you and your family at this time. So, if your family is facing challenges with transitions, notice I said family, it's not just one person, but these are the comings and goings of daily life. And if those aren't working well, it's really challenging for your family to have things feel peaceful. So, if your relationship with your child of any age spends more time than you want feeling hard, feeling disconnected, if you've tried everything that you've found and nothing has worked for you so far, if your child has a diagnosis like anxiety, ADD, ADHD, depression, or if you do, if you're tired of losing your emotional control, if you know you need some extra support for this season of your parenting, and if you have even one situation that you'd like to feel better, especially one that repeats over and over and over again, no matter how old your child is, then this workshop is for you. So in this workshop, I'm going to be teaching you the ARCH method from my newest book, It's Never Too Late to Heal, and you will have practice and support for applying some techniques during the workshop. I've found through 15 plus years of consulting with parents like you through the Consciously Parenting Project that if you have the right information about what's happening for yourself and your child, you can start to make changes almost immediately. I see so many parents, as soon as they really get this and it clicks, they're often running. So most parents struggle here because they either don't have the right information or the right support to help them to shift what are actually transgenerational patterns. So transgenerational patterns didn't start with you or your child, and most of us have never learned how to work with them. So the reason that this method works is that it isn't just looking at the surface behaviors and giving you a magic formula to fix them. Though I have many clients who have asked me for a magic wand for the last 15 years, and I regretfully do not have one. But this method helps you to get the underlying causes that keep parents and families stuck. It's based on cutting-edge science, including neuroscience, and has helped hundreds of families like yours learn how to handle the tricky situations that come up in parenting on a daily basis, as well as the bigger situations that are more complicated. We're going deeper in the workshop to support you with the big R repairs too. These are the tools that all parents need to weather the inevitable storms of parenting and life. So if you need a breakthrough win in your parenting season, start here. I look forward to seeing you in the workshop. Let me know if you have any questions.